Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Closet. So today I'm here to give you guys that quick tutorial I told you about I was going to give you in that last video on how to print your images through Word. Printing through Word will give you a what? A bigger footprint, y'all. This is only going to work if you want to use sublimation or printable heat transfer vinyl. Otherwise, you want to print then cut, y'all going to have to send it through the Cricut. But with that being said, want to learn how to use Word and print your images out so you can get the biggest possible cut you can, then you know what you got to do. You got to stick around. Okay, y'all, let's get into this quick tutorial on how to print your images through Word. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up your Word, and then you're going to go to a blank document, which I already have loaded, and next you're going to go to Insert, and then you're going to go to Pictures. Now, you probably won't be seeing this portion of what I'm doing simply because I have these security settings on my computer, y'all, because listen, y'all know identity theft is real. It's happened to me before. So, after you go to Pictures, just listen and pay attention to what I'm telling y'all, right? These are the steps. After you go to Pictures, you're going to go to this device. This device is going to take you to your everything on your computer, your downloads. I'm going to go ahead and go to my downloads. I'm going with the man himself, Mr. Prince. I am Mr. Purple Rain himself, piggybacking off of the last video. I showed you guys how to do that photo tee. So I'm doing another photo tee. And as you can see, okay, we got this much of the paper. Now I'm going to go ahead and next you're going to go to your sizing portion over here. You're going to click this little arrow box. Once you get to that, you're going to unlock these two dimensions. These are locking in your height and width. We don't want that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and change my height. My paper is 11 and a half. I'm going to change my paper to 10 for the height and 8 for the width. And now it took over and leaned off the paper. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go over to position. You're going to go, this position means you can move your images any way you want. Left, right, up, down, center. I'm going to go ahead and go over here to center. So this is called text wrapping. It's going to move my image into the center of my sheet, and boom, there you have it. Now if I wanted to go ahead and make this bigger, I could, to use as much as the paper as I want, because remember I've already locked it into the center of the sheet. And there you go. Next, all I'm doing is going to send this on over to my printer and print it out. I'm freestyling this. This is going to be cut with scissors, and that's all we're doing. Now, this method is also great for tumblers, y'all. Real quick. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. This is what you should be doing when you're doing tumbler wraps. You're going to go ahead, same concept, insert pictures, and then you're going to go to your tumbler wraps. You should already have it down packed. I already showed y'all how to do it. So if you don't know how to print on a tumbler, y'all go ahead and watch that video. Here we go. This would be our tumbler wrap if I was going to do a tumbler. Once it populates, you're going to go ahead and turn it to the side and turn it to the side so it looks like this on your sheet. You're going back over here and taking off again, we're repeating the same things we did, unlocking our dimensions. Now our width, I believe, is 9 by 2. I'm freestyling. I could be wrong. So if I'm wrong, y'all make sure you check out the video and I gave you the right dimensions. And then our height, I think, is 8 by 1. If I'm not mistaken. So 8 by 1. Here we go. Of course, it moved off the sheet. Same thing. You go into position. You go into center. And here you have how you would wrap a tumbler. if you're doing a tumbler for sublimation. Of course, you have to remember to mirror this because I have words. Remember, anything that needs to be printed with words has to be mirrored. And that's all, y'all. This is easy, right? I did these tumblers for my kids' teachers for the end of the year. Oh my God, they came out so great. As always, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to stick around to the end. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the shirt right quick and show you exactly what it looks like. And you know the usual. Be well, my friends.